Hi there, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. We're going to do our closeout for our May budgets today. I think we might end up doing both of them in this one video and then do cash stuffing in the next video. So if you enjoyed the videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just 1 second. Okay, so I have both accounts that need to be managed, and this one actually let me get my little calculator together. Ooh. Okay, there we go. All right, so let me just go ahead and add this one up real quick because I don't. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I mean, this one's always going to be perfect. So let's go ahead and get this one going. So we ended up paying, there we go, that $535 for the mortgage, $300 in the envelopes, that's always the same, $70.98 for AT&T, $182.58 for Geico, $180.93 for T-Mobile. Gym was $10.81. Netflix was $16.46. House was $60. Emergencies was $100. NTTA was, oh, sorry about that, $0 actually. Okay. Cushion got its $5. Adobe got $24. No, $22. Ooh. $22.72. Electricity was $109. Water was not $88. Water should have probably been like $90. So I'm gonna put $90. And then business got its $36. So let's add that up and see what we have left. Okay, we're ready. Keeps flipping back. Okay, there we go. 535 plus 300 plus 70.98 plus 182.58 plus 180.93 plus 1081 plus 16.46 plus 60 plus 100 plus 5 plus 22.72 plus 109 plus 90 plus 36. 17. I don't think that's right. Hold on a second. I wonder if I didn't put everything down. Let me go back, because it should only be about 40 something dollars. 535, 300, sorry, 535, 300, 70, 98, 182, 180, 10, 16, 60, 100, 5, 22, 109, 90, 36. Oh, no, that's right. Okay, 1719.48. And then we take 1764 minus 1719.48. So that's 44.52. So we take that to the next one. And I think on this one, I actually, oh, yeah, okay, that's right. I was like, oh my gosh, thought I'd done that one wrong. I did not, okay. So, we have 44.52. We're gonna do just for cushion. We did $4.52. Then we're gonna do for garden 20, because I've been doing a lot of stuff in my garden. So that leaves us with $20 left over. So I need to figure out where I want to put some of that money. I think we're going to do some of the debt. We're going to do debt, credit, debt, house, debt, student loans. And let's do, what do you think we should do? Maybe 20% each? Let's do 20, 20, 20. And then let's do savings, emergency, savings, car. Trying to even remember what savings I have. Okay, let me pull from over here. Not new car. Let's do, okay, savings, house. House, security, car. Okay, house, emergency, car, house, savings, security, and then let's do business. And we have 60 left. So if I hadn't taken anything out for business, let's do 5%, 0.05, 0.05, and let's do 10, 10, and 10. And we have 20 left over for each of those. So these get, they're supposed to be a 0.5, but we're gonna do, oh my goodness, okay. Okay, 20 times 0.2, oopsie, times 0.2 is $4. So $4 here, $4 here, $4 here, 10 would be $2 here, $2 here, $2 here, and then these would be one. Is that right? Yes. Oh, and then $1 and then $1. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do my cash stuffing in the next one, and I do need to actually, I think, finish up my paycheck closeout for this budget. I do. So let's do this one real quick. So business got its 55, student loans got its 55. Trash was, I ended up taking out 30 from there. Banfield is 54. Oops, no. Banfield was 53.90. 53.90. Okay. Sinking funds is 282. Lawn is 70. Visa was 271. Amazon Music was $9. Date was 80. Security was 60. Emergencies was 10. Car emergencies was 10. New car was 5. Student loans got us 20. Car wash got us 15. Car maintenance got 45. And then annual got 50, and then cushion got 10. So there's not really too much more going on here. I know for trash, I believe I just left the money. Let's pull out 43. Well, let's see. We'll go on and do this. Let's add this up. Okay, so you have 55 plus 55 plus 30 plus 53.90 plus 282 plus 70 plus 271 plus 9 plus 80 plus 60 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 45 plus 50 plus 10. So 130, 1130.9, and then that leaves us with 1178 minus 1130.90. That's $47.10 left over. And so let's see. I actually didn't pull out $47.10 left over. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can maybe bump that over into my garden section to help pay for some of the gardening things I have bought. So we'll see how that one works out. But that's going to be it for this. We'll do our cash stuffing in our next video. So thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great one. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.